In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Notes so laggy. To start, close and reopen the Notes app. This simple action is often the most effective first step. You will see the app disappear from your screen as you swipe it away. Then, when you reopen it, the app will refresh. This refresh can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the lag. A quick restart of the app is a low-effort way to resolve minor issues. It's a great first step because it requires no technical skills and can save you a lot of time. Next up, restart your iPhone or iPad. This might seem basic, but a restart can do wonders for your device's performance. You will notice the screen go black for a moment, followed by the Apple logo appearing. This process clears the memory and stops any background processes that may be slowing down the Notes app. It's crucial because many performance issues stem from background activities. By rebooting your device, you ensure that everything starts fresh, optimizing performance for your Notes application. With that done, go to Settings, then tap on General. Next, select Software Update. Here, check for any available updates and install them if necessary. Keeping your software up to date is essential for optimal performance. Updates often include bug fixes and enhancements that can improve app functionality. You will see a progress bar indicating the update status. This is important because running outdated software might be one of the reasons for the lag in your Notes app. After that, go to Settings again, then select General once more. From there, tap on iPhone or iPad storage. This section shows you how much space is available on your device. If your storage is low, it can significantly slow down your device and apps, including Notes. Freeing up space is as easy as deleting unused apps or media. You will see a list of applications and the space they occupy. This step improves your device's overall speed and responsiveness. Now, check your internet connection, especially if your Notes sync with iCloud. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and ensure you are connected. A weak or unstable connection can cause lag as the app struggles to sync your Notes. You might see a Wi-Fi icon or a cellular signal indicator at the top of your screen. This is important because without a good connection, syncing can become sluggish. Ensuring a strong connection allows for seamless updates and retrieval of your Notes. Next, turn off low power mode temporarily. Navigate to Settings and find Battery. Here you will see the low power mode option. When enabled, this mode limits background activities to conserve battery, which can inadvertently slow down your apps. You will notice a toggle switch that you can turn off. This little step can provide a boost in performance by allowing your device to function without restrictions. It's a simple adjustment that can lead to noticeable improvements. If the problem continues, make sure iCloud Notes syncing is enabled. Go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. From there, select iCloud and ensure that the toggle for Notes is turned on. This setting ensures your Notes are backed up and accessible from all your devices. You will see a green toggle if it's enabled. It's vital to confirm this because syncing issues can contribute to lag, especially if the app is attempting to sync without permission. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in the performance of your Apple Notes app. Each action helps eliminate potential issues that contribute to lag. Remember, it's always good to keep your device and applications updated for the best experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you enjoy a smoother experience with Apple Notes.